Good morning, boys. As in the first video, you people couldn't hear the meanings. I'm saying it once again. Gramam, village. Rashtram, state. Taragati, class. Sahasakaryalu, adventures. Snehituralu, friend. Kaluva, canal. Abhinandinchu, appreciate. Pradhani, prime minister. Bahumati, prize. Jatiya, national. And I hope you understood all the page writing from where to where you have to write. I have sent that in WhatsApp, right? Okay, now let us go to the question and answers. In the middle you have Sonta Vakyalu. Okay, there are two. Sonta Vakyalu means make sentences. There are two words. I will tell you the meaning. If you can write, write. Otherwise, in the live class, I will be explaining you or telling you, and then I will send you the sentences. If you can write, or you can write in English and translate it and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay? First, if you can write directly in Telugu, is fine. If you can write in English and then translate it and then send to me in WhatsApp, it's okay. If you are not able to do, I will be telling you in the live class. Okay, children? Maha Ishtam. Maha Ishtam means like, means favorite. Okay? Ishtam is like, Maha Ishtam is like favorite. बहुत पसंद है. Make a sentence like what is your favorite thing, or what is your favorite place, who is your favorite person. According to this, you can make sentences. Now, second one is Adarsam. Adarsam is ideal. To whom we look up, or like whom we want to become. It might be one of your family member, or someone, people around you in your relatives, or some people who are great leaders, great educationists, great scholars. It can be anyone. You try. Okay, these are the examples. You can try and write a meaningful sentence. You have to try. Otherwise, how will you develop? Right? Try. Don't just say, I don't know, or I do not understand, because I've given you so many examples. You can write them. Okay, children? ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సునీత ఏ తరగతి చదువుతోంది. మీన్స్ సునీత ఈజ్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ విచ్ క్లాస్, or సునీత ఈజ్ ఇన్ విచ్ క్లాస్. చదువుతోంది మీన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్టడీయింగ్, తరగతి ఈజ్ క్లాస్ or grade. సునీత 10వ తరగతి చదువుతోంది. మీన్స్ సునీత ఈజ్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ 10th grade. సునీత స్వగ్రామం ఏది, ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉంది. మీన్స్ ఇన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ సునీతాస్ విలేజ్ నేమ్ and it is in which state. Rashtram means state. సునీత స్వగ్రామం కల్లిసేరి, అది కేరళ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉంది. మీన్స్ సునీతాస్ విలేజ్ నేమ్ వాజ్ కల్లిసేరి and it is in the state of Kerala. సునీత మరియమ్మను ఏ విధంగా రక్షించింది. Means how did Sunita saved her friend? Who? Mariamma. సునీత నేర్పుగా ముందుకు వంగి మరియమ్మను చేయి పట్టుకొని మెల్లమెల్లగా ఒడ్డుకు చేర్చింది. Means Sunita, what she did? She hold she hold her hand carefully and she tried to pull her towards the edge of the canal or towards the shore of the canal. Let me increase the height. I think people will not be able to see. Now you are able to see? Yes. So, with great technique and with great presence of mind, Sunita bent carefully towards the front side. आगे की तरफ झुक के उसने मरियम्मा का हाथ पकड़ के धीरे धीरे से किनारे की ओर लेके आई है. ఓకే, మెల్లమెల్లగా మీన్స్ స్లోలీ స్లోలీ. సునీత ఎవరి నుండి జాతీయ బహుమతి అందుకొంది? సునీత భారత ప్రధాని రాజీవ్ గాంధీ నుండి జాతీయ బహుమతి అందుకొంది. జాతీయ బహుమతి మీన్స్ నేషనల్ రివార్డ్, నేషనల్ ప్రైజ్ విచ్ ఈస్ గివెన్ అట్ అ నేషనల్ లెవెల్. Sunita got that from then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Okay. Last one is Sunita ఈనాటి బాలలకు ఏ విధంగా ఆదర్శం అయ్యింది? Mean, how did Sunita become an ideal person for today's children? సునీత చూపిన సాహస కార్యాలకు గాను ఈనాటి బాలలకు ఆదర్శం అయ్యింది. Means because of the bravery or brave act or because of what she has done, brave deed, she has become an ideal for today's children. Means when a problem is there, she did not get scared, she did not run away, she did not wait for someone else to come and help her. She on her own thought what can be done and has done it with complete courage, saved her friend also and her friend, right? Means you have to be brave and strong. That's what you have to learn from this lesson. Okay children, thank you.